Having trouble installing apps on your Mac? This video will guide you through common macOS installation hurdles. Are you encountering errors when trying to install new software on your macOS device? This video is for anyone struggling with app installations on their Mac, whether it's due to Gatekeeper restrictions, permissions issues, or other common roadblocks. Before we dive into solutions, let's understand why your Mac might be preventing installations. macOS includes security features like Gatekeeper and robust permission systems to protect your device from malicious software. While essential, these can sometimes block legitimate applications. Often, the issue stems from a quarantine attribute applied to downloaded files. This tells macOS the file came from an external source. We'll show you how to safely remove this attribute using the terminal command xattr-d.com.apple.quarantine without compromising your system's overall security. Next, we'll check the notarization status of the application. Notarization is a process where Apple verifies that software is free of malicious components. An unnotarized app might be blocked. We'll show you how to check this and what to do if an app isn't notarized, while maintaining your system's integrity. Sometimes, the problem lies within your privacy and security settings. We'll guide you through adjusting these settings to allow installations from identified developers, or, if necessary, temporarily allow apps from anywhere, but with a strong emphasis on reverting these changes for security. In rare cases, specific file or folder permissions might be corrupt. We'll demonstrate how to use Disk Utilities First Aid or command line tools to reset these permissions. This is a more advanced step, and will ensure you understand the implications and how to proceed safely. Beyond the core fixes, we'll touch on other common installation issues. This includes checking for sufficient disk space, verifying the app's compatibility with your macOS version, and ensuring a stable internet connection for downloads. These simple checks can often resolve unexpected problems. To avoid future installation headaches, always download software from official sources or trusted developers. Keep your macOS updated, and be mindful of what permissions you grant applications during installation. These best practices help maintain a secure and smoothly operating Mac. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome most macOS app installation challenges. Remember to proceed cautiously, and always prioritize your system's security. Don't let installation roadblocks stop you from using the apps you need.